Welcome to the Titanium Energy Services training video, QHSE for Supervisors. This course aligns supervisors with Titanium's commitment to health and safety, quality service, and environmental protection, ensuring the well-being of our people, delivering exceptional results to clients, and safeguarding the communities we serve. In this QHSE leadership training for supervisors, you will develop the knowledge and skills needed to excel in your role. This includes embracing the principles and core values outlined in Titanium Energy Services Code of Ethics to align with our mission and vision. You will gain a clear understanding of the responsibilities, expectations, and legal obligations tied to supervisory accountability. The course will guide you in leading by example to foster a strong safety culture while ensuring service quality. You will learn how to identify hazards, assess risks, and implement effective controls to minimize them. Additionally, we will cover the fundamentals of communication, training, and supervision to enhance workforce competency through on-the-job training. The program also addresses incident reporting requirements, outlining the expectations for handling incidents, accidents, injuries, and near-miss events. Finally, you will learn how to access and utilize the resources necessary to perform your duties effectively. At Titanium Energy Services, our code of ethics reflects our unwavering commitment to our vision, mission, and core values. Our vision is to set the standard in the markets we serve through unparalleled experience and innovative solutions. This aspiration drives everything we do, ensuring we consistently exceed expectations and remain a leader in our industry. Our mission is to continuously improve and grow into a premier oilfield service company that meticulously plans and executes projects safely and within budget. By partnering with some of the world's largest exploration and production companies, we deliver tailored solutions that address complex challenges. Core values form the foundation of our company. Our people, they are the heart of Titanium Energy Services, fostering a safe and positive culture that sparks fresh, innovative ideas. Our clients, we are dedicated to serving them with integrity and excellence. Our communities, we honor our shared environment and contribute to its well-being. Together, these guiding principles shape Titanium Energy Services, ensuring that we uphold the highest standards in safety, quality, and sustainability in all that we do. As a supervisor at Titanium Energy Services, your accountability begins with direct reporting to the product line manager, anchoring your role as a critical cornerstone in our service delivery framework. Your responsibilities extend beyond routine tasks, requiring a steadfast focus on operational excellence in your assigned product line and related services. Your mission is clear: deliver services of the highest quality. This involves embracing efficiency, precision, and a commitment to excellence in every task, ensuring that our reputation for superior performance is upheld. Safety is not just a priority, it is a core value. Every action and decision you make must reflect an unwavering dedication to creating a work environment that safeguards the well-being of your team and our clients. As a supervisor, you set the standard for fostering a safety-first culture. In addition to quality service delivery, you are entrusted with the critical role of truck and crew management. Leading by example, you will guide, support, and inspire your team to achieve operational excellence, ensuring that every project meets and exceeds expectations. Creating a safety culture, a path to excellence and innovation. Do not go where the path may lead, go instead where there is no path and leave a trail. These words by Ralph Waldo Emerson reflect the essence of the safety culture we strive to build within our organization. Our commitment to safety isn't simply about following established norms or maintaining compliance. It's about being leaders, trailblazers, and innovators in creating a work environment where safety is the foundation of everything we do. As a leadership team, we bear the responsibility of shaping and sustaining a culture of safety. Regardless of the structure of the organization, it is our collective influence that sets the tone. Every decision we make, every action we take, and every conversation we have sends a message about the importance of safety. It is our dedication, focus, and determination that will determine whether safety becomes a core value, rather than just a set of rules to follow. Supervisors, you play a particularly pivotal role in this process. You are the critical link between the management team and the workers. As gatekeepers, you have a unique opportunity to influence the culture on the ground level. Your leadership is what turns organizational goals into everyday practices. Your ability to communicate, engage, and demonstrate the value of safety directly impacts the outcomes of our safety culture. In influencing the safety culture, you are not merely ensuring compliance with regulations. You are shaping the attitudes, behaviors, and mindsets of those who work with you. The way you interact with your team, the way you lead by example, make decisions, and uphold safety standards has the power to create lasting change. Your influence is the compass that guides workers through the challenges of their day-to-day tasks, ensuring they understand that their well-being is not just a priority, but a shared responsibility. Commitment to a culture of safety is not just a directive, it's a mindset. As supervisors, you are the catalysts for this mindset. You are the ones who lead the charge toward an environment where safety isn't just an expectation, but a way of life. It is through your dedication and leadership that we can ensure safety remains a priority in everything we do. Together, we can forge a path that is not only safe but innovative and excellent. Let's leave a trail that others will follow, a trail that prioritizes the health, well-being, and success of every individual in our organization. Fostering a strong safety culture. Building a strong safety culture requires commitment and accountability from the entire leadership team. As leaders, we must take full responsibility for ensuring that the safety systems within our organization are effective and consistently upheld. This accountability doesn't stop with us, it must extend throughout the organization. Every member of the team, at every level, plays a role in maintaining and enhancing our safety culture. By ensuring that responsibilities are clearly defined and embraced at all levels, we create a shared commitment to safety. Our ultimate goal as leaders is to actively engage in efforts to systematically reduce and eliminate exposure to hazardous situations. Through collaboration, vigilance, and dedication, we can foster an environment where safety is a core value and a shared responsibility for everyone. Nurturing a healthy safety culture. A strong safety culture starts with a shared understanding across all levels of the organization. Everyone must recognize the importance of safety and communicate openly to ensure it remains a top priority. Safety is more than a set of practices, it's a mindset, deeply ingrained and often resistant to change. Shifting or strengthening this mindset requires focused and intentional efforts. Leadership is the cornerstone of a healthy safety culture. Leaders have the unique ability to influence and drive change, shaping the attitudes and behaviors that define an organization. Through their actions and decisions, leaders create and sustain the culture, fostering an environment where safety becomes an integral part of the organization's identity. By embracing this responsibility, leaders can inspire a culture that values safety, collaboration, and continuous improvement, ensuring a healthier, safer workplace for everyone. The benefits of establishing a healthy safety culture. A healthy safety culture is more than just an organizational goal, it's a foundation for success that benefits everyone. By prioritizing safety, we create a workplace that is not only more efficient but also more harmonious and supportive. Establishing a strong safety culture helps reduce disturbances within the organization. When safety is a shared value, operations run more smoothly, and disruptions caused by accidents or unsafe practices are minimized. This stability enhances productivity and fosters a positive working environment. In turn, a healthy safety culture improves company results. A safe and efficient workplace allows employees to focus on their work without unnecessary risks, leading to better performance, higher morale, and greater organizational success. Most importantly, promoting safety increases the well-being of employees both at work and at home. When individuals feel secure and supported in their workplace, it positively impacts their overall quality of life, allowing them to thrive professionally and personally. By committing to a healthy safety culture, we create a workplace where everyone can succeed together, achieving our goals while ensuring the safety and well-being of all. Hazard recognition, a leadership priority. As leaders, nurturing a strong safety culture begins with active hazard recognition. This requires constant vigilance and a commitment to using all your senses to identify risks. Look for the familiar. Ask, how should it be? Spot the out of place. Ask, what seems unusual or incorrect? Avoid complacency, systematically search for hazards and risks. By following training and procedures, involving workers to uncover less obvious hazards, and reviewing the entire environment from different perspectives, leaders can better anticipate and prevent potential issues. Always ask, what could go wrong here? To stay proactive and ensure a safer workplace for everyone. Managing risk tolerance, a key responsibility for supervisors. As supervisors, your awareness and management of risk tolerance play a crucial role in fostering a safe work environment. Risk tolerance refers to the degree of risk we're willing to accept. When it becomes too high, it can lead to dangerous behaviors and outcomes. Here's how unacceptable risk tolerance develops. A risky decision is made, and though no accident occurs, the behavior is positively reinforced. Over time, this creates a mindset of, this is the way I've always done it, and I've never been hurt. Unfortunately, this false sense of security increases the likelihood of an incident, which is often just a matter of time. To mitigate risks effectively and control hazards, supervisors must lead by example and encourage their teams to avoid overestimating their capabilities or experience. Even seasoned workers can make mistakes when they rely too heavily on past success. Stay vigilant during repetitive tasks. Familiarity can lead to complacency, increasing the chance of overlooking potential hazards. Take the seriousness of potential outcomes seriously. Never downplay the risks of even minor tasks. Recognize overconfidence in equipment. Equipment can fail, and over-reliance can be fatal. Be a role model for safety. Show that accepting risky behavior is never acceptable. By managing your own risk tolerance and encouraging your teams to do the same, you help create a culture where safety is prioritized and unnecessary risks are avoided. Remember, your leadership sets the standard for the entire operation. Understanding the hierarchy of controls. The hierarchy of controls is a systematic approach to managing workplace hazards. It prioritizes risk reduction methods from the most effective to the least effective, ensuring safety is built into every level of operations. Here's how it works. Elimination: the most effective control is to completely remove the hazard. If the hazard doesn't exist, there's no risk of exposure. For example, redesigning a process to eliminate a hazardous step. Substitution: if elimination isn't possible, replace the hazard with something safer. This could mean using a less toxic material or safer equipment to perform the task. Engineering controls: these controls focus on isolating workers from the hazard through physical changes to the workplace. Examples include guards on machinery, ventilation systems, or automated shutdown devices to prevent accidents. Administrative controls: when physical changes aren't enough, administrative measures can help reduce risk. These include work permits, training programs, procedures, communication protocols, and scheduling adjustments to limit exposure. Personal protective equipment, PPE. As a last line of defense, PPE provides individual protection against hazards. Items like safety goggles, earplugs, and fall protection equipment are essential when other controls cannot fully eliminate risk. By following the hierarchy of controls, organizations can systematically reduce hazards, minimize risks, and protect workers. Supervisors play a vital role in implementing these controls and ensuring their teams understand and adhere to them. Your role as a supervisor is to ensure worksite safety. Safety is an ongoing commitment, not a one-time event. Here are 10 key ways to prioritize health and safety. 1. Train and supervise new workers thoroughly. 2. Ensure all workers receive job-specific safety training before starting work. 3. Teach emergency procedures up front. 4. Pair workers with experienced, safety-focused mentors. 5. Regularly check compliance with safety rules. 6. Recognize and reward employees who prioritize safety. 7. Provide clear instructions on reporting unsafe conditions or concerns. 8. Stress the importance of reporting hazards or injuries immediately. 9. Support and reinforce the safety culture established by your HSE representative. 10. Lead by example, wear PPE and model safe work habits. By following these steps, you help create a safer and more responsible work environment for everyone. Fostering accountability and respect through proper housekeeping. Proper housekeeping is about more than keeping a workspace tidy. It's a cornerstone of safety, efficiency, and respect in the workplace. By committing to cleanliness and organization, we support our safety culture and show respect for ourselves, our coworkers, and our environment. Key benefits of proper housekeeping. Improved workplace safety. Reduces risks of slips, trips, and falls while minimizing health hazards from germs and hazardous materials. Enhanced operational performance. Organized spaces boost productivity by reducing clutter and ensuring tools and materials are easy to locate. Boosted employee morale. A clean workspace fosters professionalism, respect, and teamwork, while disorganization can harm morale and reflect poorly on leadership. By adopting and maintaining these practices, we demonstrate accountability and contribute to a safer, more efficient, and more respectful workplace. Effective on-the-job training combines both passive and hands-on approaches to ensure comprehensive learning. Key methods include: lecture, explain procedures clearly. Reading, review SOPs and JSAs thoroughly. Audio-visual, use resources like monthly safety meeting reviews. Demonstration, show how to perform tasks step by step. Group discussion, engage in tailgate meetings for collaborative input. Practice, supervise workers as they perform tasks. Teaching others, encourage mentoring to reinforce skills. Active participation is essential, as these techniques help you communicate your message clearly and foster a culture of continuous learning and improvement. Operational standards and daily supervisor responsibilities. Complete daily logbook. Conduct pre-trip and post-trip inspections, supported by fuel receipts. Perform and document field-level hazard assessments and upload to Smartsheets. Submit stop and think reports for hazard identification, positive observations, and maintenance concerns. Perform pre-use equipment inspections before operation. Execute and document ERP drills as per IRP. Submit detailed DSOps job tickets with comprehensive treatment reports. Ensure thorough post-job cleanup and implement preventative maintenance. As outlined in your job description, responsibilities like cleaning the unit, washing the rig, fueling it, and maintaining the cleanliness of the driving and operating cabs are essential parts of your role. Post-job cleanup is as critical as any task performed on site, ensuring that our equipment is always ready for the next job. We rely on everyone to leave rigs clean and prepared for the next crew. Thoroughly cleaning the unit, including the cabs. Washing off dirt and debris. Ensuring the unit is fully fueled and operational. As required. Submit equipment repair reports to generate work orders. Complete pre-use inspections for tools and equipment. Conduct preventative maintenance, truck service, and site inspections. Hazard management and leadership. Create JHAs to initiate effective JSA development. Review and discuss SOPs with crews, operators, and peers for clarity and improvement. Ensure operators maintain accurate unit inventories and submit required paperwork promptly. Mentor operators through their competency progression program, fostering growth and skill development. These actions reflect professionalism, teamwork, and respect for both our equipment and colleagues, playing a vital role in upholding safety standards, optimizing operational efficiency, and fostering a culture of accountability. Building employee training and competency with job observations. Job observations are a critical tool for training employees and enhancing their competency through real-time assessment, mentorship, and feedback. The process begins with observing operators as they perform specific tasks, ensuring their methods align with established job safety analysis and identifying areas for improvement. During this time, mentorship plays a key role, as supervisors answer questions, provide advice, and explain the reasons behind safe practices, including the whys, why nots, and don't do's. The goal is to guide operators until they can confidently teach the task back to the mentor. Documentation is the final step, involving the completion of a job observations form to record findings, evaluate the field-level hazard assessment, and assess safe practices and skill levels. Constructive feedback is then provided to the operator, fostering growth and reinforcing a culture of safety and competency development. Stop work authority. Supervisors are the front line of any organization, playing a vital role in maintaining workplace health and safety. They are responsible for ensuring that safety priorities are always met. When an unsafe act or situation occurs, it is crucial that supervisors act immediately by stopping the work, unless doing so would create an even greater hazard. Failing to stop unsafe acts has several negative consequences. It condones unsafe behavior, sets a poor example for others, makes it harder to address unsafe actions later, and increases organizational liability. Supervisors must take swift and decisive action to maintain a safe and compliant work environment. Everyone has the responsibility to stop unsafe work. Effective communication with workers. Strong communication is key to delivering information, providing training, offering feedback, and correcting unsafe behaviors. It involves various methods, including written, verbal, visual communication, and body language. Supervisors should also lead by example. Effective communication is a two-way street, requiring both speaking and listening. Listening and observing are just as important as speaking and demonstrating. Good listening skills promote better understanding and encourage open communication. When listening, focus fully on the speaker without planning your response, avoid interrupting, and clarify points to ensure understanding. Additionally, be mindful of your body language and avoid being judgmental. When speaking, express yourself clearly and at a moderate pace, maintain eye contact, and be respectful. Finally, confirm that your message has been understood. Regulatory bodies play a crucial role in ensuring safety, maintaining standards, and enforcing regulations that guide how businesses operate. Examples of these organizations include Occupational Health and Safety, which sets workplace safety standards, the Alberta Energy Regulator, which oversees the energy sector, the Workmen's Compensation Board, responsible for managing workplace injury claims, the Canadian Nuclear Safety Commission, which regulates nuclear safety, and the Department of Transportation, which ensures safety in transportation systems. These agencies help ensure that businesses comply with essential safety guidelines, protecting workers, the environment, and the public. The role of a supervisor is essential to the entire job, especially when it comes to the accident reporting process. Supervisors must fully understand their responsibilities in incident reporting, know how to access the correct reporting forms, and be aware of the required documents to submit with the incident report. To ensure you are well informed, it is highly recommended to review the QHSE for Supervisors training documentation so you are clear on the process for reporting job incidents, injuries, vehicle accidents, and spills. Section 217.1 of the Criminal Code, as outlined in Bill C-45, states, everyone who undertakes, or has the authority to direct how another person does work or performs a task, is under a legal duty to take reasonable steps to prevent bodily harm to that person, or any other person, arising from that work or task. Bill C-45, passed on March 31, 2004, amended the Canadian Criminal Code to impose new legal duties for workplace health and safety. It introduced serious penalties for violations leading to injuries or fatalities and established rules for assigning criminal liability to organizations, including corporations, their representatives, and those who direct others' work. As of January 1, 2014, workers and employers in Alberta are subject to receive, on-the-spot tickets, from occupational health and safety inspectors for not abiding by any one of 67 provisions of the Occupational Health and Safety Code. It's worth noting that administrative penalties can be up to $10,000 per day. We are committed to achieving zero accidents, zero injuries, and zero incidents by adhering to safety policies and procedures, conducting field-level hazard assessments, performing regular stop and thinks, reviewing JSAs and SOPs, maintaining our equipment, mentoring employees, and fostering training and competency development. By actively participating in and contributing to a proactive QHSE safety culture, making it your responsibility to know, engage, and refuse unsafe work, we can achieve our goal of a safe and incident-free workplace. At Titanium Energy Services, we've made your resources easy to find and straightforward to use. If you're unsure where to locate or how to utilize these resources, don't hesitate to ask. Our HS Committee representatives are here to assist you, answer your questions, and guide you in the right direction. Show your support for safety by clicking the like button, subscribing to our YouTube channel, and following Titanium Energy Services to stay updated and informed.